With our software installed, we are almost ready to begin with the graphics migration. Rather than diving right in, let's look at some considerations prior to run the Graphics Migration Assistant. The Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant tool complements the Standard Migration tool, and it should be run after the Standard Migration Upgrade tool has been completed. Refer to the Power Operation Help for information about how to upgrade a project. The Graphics Migration Assistant tool allows for migration to be performed in offline mode. You can also refer to the Power Operation Help for information about offline and online mode. The Graphics Migration Assistant tool only supports one-way migration, Cited Graphics to Power Operation 2022 Pan-Zoom Graphics. This is the main interface, and it includes the necessary features to perform a Cited Graphic migration to the new Pan-Zoom Power Operation Graphics. While we are here, we can select the target project for which we want to perform the migration. The Graphics Migration Assistant tool recognizes the projects from Power Operation Studio that have pages and displays them under the target project drop-down list. It also gives us the option to select the pages to migrate to the new TGML graphics. We can outline missing objects if there are no matching components for the migration, as well as generate missing objects to generate a basic component that does not exist in the new graphics editor. The generated basic component is created as closely as possible to the new component on the new TGML page. Click on Explore Mapping File. This allows you to review the mapping configuration. More details for the mapping feature can be found in the Mapping Configuration section of the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant User Guide. Click on Open Mapping Editor to access the Graphics Migration Assistant tool user interface, which complements the existing tool that uses a manual process to configure the mapping through an XML file. You can refer to the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant User Guide for more information. The Help button opens the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant tool user guide. Once everything is configured, click on Begin Processing to start the migration of the page. And that makes our Graphics Migration Assistant tool interface. We will be going through them one at a time to migrate a page. Our first step is to export configuration from existing graphics to review the configuration of the existing objects in the old page to be migrated. Until then, thank you.